Hi everyone, I am back again today. I just posted a video about how to look for cheap flights on Google Flights the way that we like to, and I thought I would post another video on the other website that I mentioned on there for cheap flight alerts called going.com. So I'm going to go there, and it used to be called Scott's Cheap Flights, so you may have heard of that. And so here I am on the landing page. And I'm gonna go through how to sign up and get some alert deals started. So you can click sign up here or get cheap flight alerts. Um, and I'm going to use one of my testing email addresses to sign up here since I already have an account. So go ahead and make your password and then it'll start you in this onboarding process. Okay, welcome to Going. They basically send you an email when there are price drops in flight deals to basically anywhere from the US. I think that's the key. I think right now it's only from US airports. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit continue. Okay, so they're telling us about past deals and stuff and how good the deals are. So it's still just selling us on them right now, which is fine. I'm gonna hit continue. Okay, so start by getting deals close to your home airport. So you pick your home airport. So all of this is free so far. They have a paid version, but we're just signing up for the free version today. So you can type Charlotte um, and say that's your home airport. You can add more airports now. For free, you can add, I believe, up to 5. Here we are, 5 airports that you can edit at any time. I recommend putting in, so it says add your biggest airport, your closest, and maybe even your parents' airport. So airports that you'd probably want to fly out of. So my recommendation is to put another close airport maybe in your state that you would drive to. I think a good one is Raleigh. They have a lot of deals typically, and they're a bigger airport. And that's a drivable, and also Amtrak goes there. It's like a 3-hour Amtrak ride for like $30. So that's a good one. And then I'm going to put some big hubs on the East Coast since I live on the East Coast. So I want to put something like JFK Airport in New York. And then I have 2 free ones left. Um, let's see. I think another good one that a quick flight to would be Washington, D.C. So I like the IAD. That's the biggest hub for international flights. DCA is Reagan Airport, and that one's mostly domestic. And then let's see, one more good one. I'm thinking maybe there's a lot of cheap flights to Boston because JetBlue flies there from Charlotte. So I'm going to put Boston. So my thought here is that if I find a good international flight deal from JFK, Boston, Washington, I can fly there from Charlotte nonstop easily and it'll be pretty inexpensive. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Oh, they also suggested some other airports nearby. These are medium low frequency, so I wouldn't really recommend adding them, even though it's easy to drive to. Okay, now receive to your top destinations. Okay, so I don't know, it seems like you can just pick some top destinations here. So you can just kind of put countries or cities. I would recommend putting countries to make it as broad as possible rather than specific cities like London and Paris. So let's put, like, I want to go to Australia. Um, maybe I like Tokyo, maybe just Japan in general, so I can get deals for like a lot of places. And I think they'll send you deals to more than just what you say here. This is just like, you'll definitely get an email about these, and then they'll send you an email about other great ones, but they won't send you an email for every single flight deal. Just some really great ones plus ones that you say. So I'll add Hawaii there. That's a good one. Definitely want to go to Dublin. Oh, it looks like I can add 3 destinations as my top destinations. So we'll stick with those. Australia, Japan, Hawaii. Okay, now last step is verify your email address. And then you start getting emails. Great. They sent a link. And so once you get that email, you will want to click on the link in the email. And let me go log into my email here. Let me pause the video first. Okay, so I'm back. I'm logged in. This is the email that I got. It says verify my account, and I'm just going to click on either one of these, and it's going to tell me that I'm all set, I think. All right, and now we can log in. Okay, let's go back to my window here. All right, and log in here. Okay, so I'm here, and now it's telling me try 14 days free for one of these. Okay, don't be tricked by this. You don't have to pay. It's free. You just need to click in the top right here, stay limited. That's where you need to click to keep it for free. The paid ones, I mean, I do actually have a paid one, but because to me, the money that I'm saving, like say it's an annual $39, I'm going to save more than $39 if I book a really good flight deal. So the benefit is kind of good there. You get international deals and all of that. Let's see what it's telling me. What do I get with my free one? I get, let's see, click stay limited. Okay, oh, it's telling me more, premium members, blah, blah, blah. Skip, you need to click skip in the top right. Okay, now here we are. I have a user and I'm limited. Okay, great. So I can see the active deals. So this is all free. They're not ever going to charge you anything. So I can see 10 active deals right now just by coming on here. See, this had nothing to do with the airports that the destinations that I chose, so you can always see them. So I see 10 here. Here's a great one, $289 nonstop from Boston to Iceland. I'm going to do a shout out to Miss Steph on this one. So it says, okay, this is like a low-cost airline. This is the name of the airline. $289 from Boston and Washington, D.C. It says it's 65% off. So this is how I like to look at these. So it's telling me up here the dates of them, the deals currently. It's telling me that it's a nonstop here, a 5.5-hour flight. It's telling me other airports that I follow that this the prices from those airports. For example, it's $500 from Raleigh, which is really good because if you think about I'm going to buy it for maybe $300 from Boston, but I have to get to Boston. Am I going to spend $200 getting there? Probably so. So $500 from Raleigh is actually really good. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. So now it changed to Raleigh. And oh, it's telling me this is where Google Flights will come into play. It's not telling me that much about this deal for some reason. So what I need to do is go to Google Flights. Let's do that. And look from Raleigh to Reykjavik and look for flights like that. So really the point of this website is telling you about the flights. And then for me, I just take this information that there's a flight deal right now from Raleigh to Reykjavik, and I go to Google Flights with that information. But this video is about going.com, not Google Flights. So I'm going to focus on that. Let's go back to deals and look at any other ones. You can see a little information here. 2 stops to Greece, and it's in the 500s. Venice, Tenerife. Oh, let's look at that one. I'd like to go there. $300 to Denmark. So yeah, so this is the stuff, kind of stuff you can see for free. And then there's always the paid subscriptions. As an example of the email alerts you get, I'm going to take a look at those real quick. This is my premium subscription emails, but some of these will also come through on the free emails. For example, here's Nonstop Europe. I follow like a lot of airports, so it's telling me about all of these different airports. Atlanta, all nonstop flights from Atlanta, Austin, Texas, Boston. Here's some Charlotte ones, 582 to Frankfurt and Munich, Germany. So this is what the emails look like, and then you'd be able to click view details and it would pop up on that website again over here. So, yeah, this is how you sign up for Going and kind of stuff that you see. You can filter for different things and see deal types. Yeah, this is going.com. Hope this was helpful.